Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back to this backyard. I have this 2011 Ford Explorer. Know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the fuel, the fuel tank filler neck hose, whatever you wanna call it. But you know that hose that connects to the come on, this guy right here, the fuel tank filler pipe. That's the part number, alright, just so you know. Okay, made by Ford, the whole 9. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna do, because it's leaking. It has the trouble code that it says there's a evap leak, and it's coming from the neck. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you how to fix this, how to replace this fuel tank filler neck, filler pipe, whatever you wanna call it, hose. Before I get into the action, you know I gotta say, and I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? Like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me, alright? Wanna open this, because I gotta disconnect the battery, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna play with fuel right here, man. And that's a little bit dangerous, so we're gonna disconnect the ground, the battery, you know what I'm saying, the ground terminal from the battery, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, yo, show your support by clicking on the heart that it says stands. Click on that and you know, give your contribution, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, pretty much, let's go, let's get it. Axtuo, boom. I'm gonna come over here, open the hood. Salacho. I need both hands. That's the kickstand. Okay, we're gonna disconnect that, the battery. Yeah, me. Oh, this one looks like 10mm. Okay. You can do both if you want. Alright. In my previous video, I showed you how to find this evap leak. What I did was the evap valve is right there, that one right there. It's hole with 2 8mm bolts. What I did was disconnect this line, okay, and I hook up the smoke machine to this, and I let it work, you know what I'm saying, for a minute, and the smoke was escaping through the back, through the fuel tank filler pipe. And that's why we're replacing the fuel tank filler pipe hose. Hey, click on the heart. It says stands, show your support. Alright, don't make me say it again. So this thing, you gotta put like a hose like this. Maybe you can use the one that comes with the car, with the truck, with the vehicle, which is right there by the where the spare tire is. This one, if you don't have it, then you're gonna have to like, because it has 2 clips, one here and one here, right inside there. You're gonna have to like press both in order to open that little door. You know what I'm saying? And then put this so you can release the pressure of the fume. You know what I'm saying? Alright, you gotta release the pressure somehow. I disconnect the battery already. Alright, so that's it for now. I'm gonna go down there and pause, and I'll let you know what's up. So that's the neck right there, alright? This guy right here. There's a bolt right there. A nut. Sorry for the ear, alright? Then there's a connection here. You see this hose right here? This guy. There's a connection, okay? You see this line? This one with the yellow label, that's connected to this one right here, okay? This one, right? Then right here has a 8mm, okay, that holds this, alright? That's pretty much it. The smoke was escaping, I believe, through here to the top, or to the top of this, but we'll see it though. I'll show you when I pull it out, so you can see where maybe it has a little hole in it. But let's do it. I'm gonna lose that. Okay. And we go from there. Holla at your boy, Burung. Alright, to set that hole, that's gonna be a 5mm, 6mm socket. That guy, okay. Then just apply some WD-40, you know what I'm saying? Then push the hose up, not from here, but from here. Just from the hose, push it up. Now it's gonna set it free, alright? Now what we're gonna do is remove the there's a connection here. I'll let you know what's up. Now you can put your hand through here. Let me tell you real quick. Put your left hand through here, alright? Not the right one, the left one. You're gonna go like here. Your hand's gonna go through here. And there's our guy. You see the white clip? Okay. And then that thing, see it right there? That white thing. He has two clips around that on top. He has two clips that you gotta squeeze it. And then with a lock pick like this, you gotta pull it down. That thing, you gotta pull it down. Then you're gonna disengage the lock. And then once you do that, you can pull out this hose, which is this. Pull it. That's how you disconnect that, alright? Now we have the hose free. Okay, now we're gonna do it from the top. Alright? With me. Not right here, I'm saying. What you're gonna do is this right here, the neck pulse, this is rubber. Okay, so just push it up like that. This thing, push it up, like that, push it down. Okay. Like that. Alright. Now it's set free. Now you're gonna have to play with it. Remove it from the bottom. Alright. That's pretty much it. I'll be back. I'll let you pull. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This thing is gonna be right here. Like this, alright? So you just like pull it like that and that's it. Okay? This is like it's gonna secure the neck up there. You know what I'm saying? Now the pipe, you pull it down, right? And all you gotta do now to have more space to remove the pipe is remove unmount the muffler holder, okay? And this one too. You know how you're gonna do it? You're gonna grab your pry bar, just put it like this, like this. Okay, that's how you do it. Now you bring both. I'm saying that side, this side, and this one right here. Alright, do the same. Pry the same way you pry those. Now you have way more space to remove this. You know what I'm saying? You see that? Now it's coming down. Alright. And the way to install it is the same way, just go in reverse, you know what I'm saying? There you go, have fun. Come on, Richard, you see it? You know the Vasco. You know who is this? The only thing you gotta transfer from the old one, the old neck to the new one is this two right here, right? It's gonna go, you know, same way over here, alright? Try to use tape it or use one of this zip lock, zip tie, whatever you want to call it. Just the old one, put in the new one, just like that, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it, alright? I hope you like this video, you know what I'm saying? It's me, Axtuo, Burung, 2011 Ford Explorer para replace the fuel tank filler pipe hose. Hey, don't forget to give tens. Click on the heart, alright? That's how you contribute to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Leave your tip, god damn it. Since you're watching this for free. Alright? Now I'm gonna leave it right here. Any questions, put it in the comment box, alright? Other than that, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, feedback, put it in the comment box. And I catch you in the next one. Axtuo, Burung, I'm out. Yeah!